Hello, happy Monday. I just want to start off this week in my life vlog. We are currently in the car and we are headed to one of our local campgrounds to go for a walk. So this is our first official walk out other than like a little walk in the neighborhood. So we're gonna see how it goes. I have my protein bar, my Built Puff brownie batter for on the way there, and let's see how this goes. To have a late lunch, so I have a little leftover barbecue sandwich with some coleslaw on it, and then this is some potato salad. This is a local barbecue place. I only like that potato salad. I don't like pretty much any other kind. And then I'm gonna have a few Lay's honey barbecue chips. So that is my late lunch for today, and I have a beggar down here, Remy. See, she's being a good girl because she's like, give me some food. I'm getting ready for bed. I don't know why, because she's right there. But I thought I would show you my skincare routine. Do you sleep with your hair up or down? I know you're not supposed to sleep with it up, but it drives me insane when I get hot. So I always use a white washcloth. These are all stained because I've had them for a long time. But supposedly it's like of the whatever that like messes up, so I only like do just that. And I have a boring skincare routine because I use Dove bar soap, and all this is like dermatologist recommended type stuff and prescription, so not necessarily like the most like, oh, let me go buy all the things. But I cleanse with this. I just started back using because I couldn't use it while I was pregnant, but tretinoin. This is like retinol, but it's good for acne. And this is honestly probably too much, but it's just how this tube works. So I do a little bit of that. I normally just do like I'm putting on foundation. And then my nighttime moisturizer, I use the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion PM. And I bought it before I was pregnant, but I used something else during pregnancy. I don't know if that's like pregnancy safe or not. I don't know. But they had this set, the AM and the PM at Sam's Club. I don't know that they still have it, but they did at that point, which was last year. And then that's it. And then I brush my teeth. Some nights I'll use mouthwash. I use Listerine, but you're propped up on it, so I'm not gonna use that. And then nighttime lip balm. I use this Ulta Beauty lip sleeping mask. I think this is cute, but like I hate taking my finger in this, especially with nails because it like gets everywhere. And it's thick, which I like, obviously. But I have a dog who sleeps with us, Remy, and her hair just like gets stuck in this. It just attracts the dog hair. But that is the nighttime routine. And now we're gonna go to bed and hope that we get a good night's rest. I've been into getting like a new fall weekly treat every week. And so last week I got Walmart's cookies, and I'll put the name of them on the screen. They were really good. And this week I got muffins. So these cinnamon, sugar, and apple muffins with streusel are really good. So I'm gonna have one of these for breakfast. Not very filling, obviously, but just a fun little treat for them. So I'm currently getting caught up on laundry. I just finished, other than socks and some stuff I need to hang up, finished last week's, and now I begin folding this week's stuff. So Let's get to it.